Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Guys, Toyota has really done something special this time. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla, a name we've all grown up hearing. But this time, Corolla isn't just the smart choice. It actually looks cool too. Stylish, modern, and still that good old Toyota reliability. Just look at the design. Fresh and full of attitude. Sharp headlights, a bold front grille, and body lines that make it look way more dynamic on the road. Corolla isn't just for practical folks anymore. It's got style now. And when it comes to the engine, there's something for everyone. The base model gets a 2.0L four-cylinder with around 170 horsepower. Not too much, not too little, just right for daily drives. But the real highlight, that next-gen hybrid system. It boosts the power to nearly 200 horsepower and gives you over 50 miles per gallon. So yeah, fewer fuel stops, more driving fun. Step inside, and things get even better. You've got premium materials, a clean minimalist dashboard, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Oh, and did I mention? There's wireless charging. Just drop your phone and you're good to go. Toyota even added their smart AI voice assistant, fancy and useful. Safety? Toyota isn't playing around. You get Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, all the good stuff that keeps you safe and stress-free. And even though the Corolla is compact, it's surprisingly roomy inside. Rear legroom is a bit better now, and the trunk? Pretty generous. Whether you're running errands or going on a weekend road trip, this car fits right in. Want something sportier? The new XSSE trim gives you a cool body kit, bigger wheels, sport-tuned suspension, and stylish seats with contrast stitching. It's still affordable, but it brings that extra bit of fun to your daily drive. Starting price around $23,000. The top-of-the-line hybrid XSSE, still under $30,000. And for what you're getting, modern design, amazing efficiency, loaded tech, and Toyota's bulletproof reliability, it's honestly a solid deal. So dear Zoom Auto family, here's the real question. Would you buy the 2026 Corolla as your next daily ride? Has Toyota done enough to impress you this time? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big like, subscribe to Zoom Auto, and don't forget to share it with your fellow car lovers. Thank you so much for watching and listening. You're the heart of this channel. We'll keep meeting here on Zoom Auto with more fun and fresh reviews. Until next time, stay happy, drive safe, and take care, my friends.